So we're early November here. Been cold here, so the lawn season is over. I've been tearing up dahlias. You can see all the crap off here that I've got to clean up. The next thing for me to try to accomplish is cleaning out my beds. So you see all this grass in my beds here. The annuals have got to come out. The dahlias have been dug up, stored away, and packed away. I've got all these beds to clean up, and you can see all this crap here. I have not mowed the lawn in like 3 weeks plus. It was early October that I mowed the lawn. So I probably will mow it one more time once I can get all of this crap cleaned up. Need to get out here with the blower and blow leaves and get those cleaned up. I may put one more application of fertilizer down, probably not. Doing another application of fertilizer this late might not be the best of ideas because lawn isn't growing at all. It's been frozen here for weeks and we have cold temperatures. That right there, that sewer pipe. That stuff I'm gonna use in the backyard to hook up the she shed to sewer. So as I'm looking around, I'm seeing evidence of Poa trivialis pretty bad. So see right there, that lime green grass right there. This thing just continues to grow. Pretty crazy to think that this all started with a spot of about that big around. This spot here, I'm not exactly sure what happened. I did put some of the tree killer. It's called Total Vegetation Control. You can get it on Do My Own. That's what I use to kill the tree. You use a hatchet and hatchet the tree, and then you squirt some of that stuff in there, or you put it on the bark and it kills the tree. So I had a little bit of a root growing up and the tree coming up from here. So I used a hatchet to create a wound in the root there, and I sprayed that stuff in there, the juice, and then I think it killed all this grass right here. I don't know what happened, but this section right here, it just kind of killed or stunted the growth on this grass right here. I'm not sure exactly why or what, because I didn't get any of the juice on the grass. I just put it right in this spot right here. That stuff's evil, that chemical that I put on there. It's evil. So I probably gonna have to dig that out, which I should probably do sooner than later because the spot just keeps getting bigger and bigger, which is crazy. And that's the reason that this is kind of dead here and that kind of didn't grow. That's gonna require more seed. Basically, it's all about cleanup from here forward in terms of the lawn. All these leaves over here, what do you want to do with the leaves? Okay, so you want to either mulch them up and return them back into the lawn, which I would probably recommend, or if you can collect them, put them in a compost pile with all this other crap. Put it in a compost pile so you can have compost. It's been 1 year since I ran this water line over here and my power line right there, so that's pretty well filled in. Is gonna need some work next spring. Looks like it needs some more dirt or something right there. It's still really low, but I've got to clean up all these leaves. So what is going to be the next step for you guys? I would say probably for most people, you still have one chance to put some more fertilizer down. The fertilizer will really help the lawn in the spring pop quickly. So I did get some new tires for my aerator here. These things right here, okay? I did get these new tires here for the aerator. Spent quite a bit of time getting those tires off, the old tires, and getting the new ones on. I ended up taking it to local tire shop and they put air in them. I didn't even attempt to try to make it work. I bought new tires for my aerator, okay? Here's the old ones here, here and here. I need to get these things changed out. I'm just gonna use these spoons here. So that's not that difficult, actually. You got the right tools. Not so hard.
You get it figured out?
I'm getting her.
What'd you think of this bike? There's a man's machine.
Well, I knew that, but like, is that different? Looks like the same one. It's got blue on it.
No, this blue's cool.
Well, yeah.
You gotta have 2 balls to make this machine. Not just one like them others.
Well, I certainly couldn't ride it then.
You were missing a ball?
Yeah.
You had an accident?
You're right.
They cut one off?
Yeah, I don't think I could be riding that if it takes 2 nuts. Oh, this is pissing me off.
Yeah, well.
How am I supposed to get that out of there? Dang you! Get off of there.
Want to know the secret to life?
There we go. There it is, folks. Got that off of there.
You want to know the secret to life? Lube.
You sucker.
Lube.
Lube.
Dawn Power Wash Disc Spray, where it sprays foam. This is the secret to life.
Oh.
Ah! You didn't see it right there?
No!
Well, now you know the secret to life.
That's a bunch of bull crap. So how I broke this bead is I put a 2x4 right here and drove up on the 2x4 and it just pushed this down like that. It broke her. So that's good. That's good stuff there. Man, that is not easy to get that. There we go. Ow! So he said lube it up like that. The soap. There. So that did work better. Alright, so I'm putting new valve stems in here. So I don't know how to get the old ones out, short of using pliers. So I'm just using this knife, cutting that off just like that. There. Lube and pliers, folks. That's how you do it. Lube and pliers. There. That wasn't too difficult. Oh, I did it. That was not easy to do. But she's on there. So that's one down. There. There. Got it. Look at all these leaves that are going to need to get cleaned up. This is good compost material. The more leaves, the better. If I could just get as many leaves as I possibly can, even better. So that's going to go there. That's going to go there. So the next step with this is just going to be to get it in the garage. Got to get those tires put on. Now I can roll it. Get it over in the garage and start diagnosing it. Get the oil changed, service the engine, air filter, and then figure out all these cables, what they do, how the hydraulics work, change the hydraulic fluid, and then start getting things squared away. This is something that really doesn't have to happen right now, but I do want to get this out of the weather. So this is my parents' toy hauler here. We took this sucker camping. I was on my way home driving, and that back tire shredded, and then the rubber, as it was spinning around, tore this off there. You can kind of see how this is torn up a little bit, so that's going to need some work too. Shed project over there, I have not made any progress on that yet. I'm going to be getting back to that really soon. The next thing to do on the shed is going to be to run the sewer line. I showed you the sewer pipe, and I'm going to run that over there. So with all this cleanup, I also need to blow out my sprinklers. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is just get all this junk and crap off the lawn, put it in my compost bin. Once I get that done, I'm going to blow everything off and clean off all the lawn, and then get my Reel Master put away, my ATV put away, get my firewood up to the house. Those are a couple of things that I've got going on here. Not a lot's happened recently, and that's kind of where I'm at. So that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick update of why I haven't been posting and what's been going on here. Rick the roller, holy crap, that guy, he's awesome. Anyways, that's it for this video. Sorry for the delay, but have had a lot going on and I appreciate it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.